In recent years, China has actively expanded its vocational education to align with the demands of enterprises. With various programs, the country's vocational education has embraced international cooperation. Since 2013, BMW Brilliance Automotive Limited in Shenyang, Liaoning Province has run a vocational program. By teaming up with vocational schools, BBA designs courses that match the needs of both schools and businesses.
宝马和我们全程参与，基本上是1多半的时间要在宝马的培训中心和它的这个工厂，1少半的时间在学校学这个基础知识和基本技能，在培养的质量得到了这个宝马车间以及宝马集团德国总部的这个高度评价。
Every year, the company selects some students who will go from vocational colleges and training centers to on-the-job internships. Those who pass exams can secure employment afterwards.
学校和企业给了我们这样的一个机会，让我们直接就是毕业就工作，毕业就就业。
At present, China has the world's largest vocational education system. According to data released by the Ministry of Education in 2023, there are 9,752 secondary vocational schools in the country, with over 17.8 million students. LNCC, Sino-Thai Science and Robot International Application Technical College, was created in 2021 through collaboration between educational institutions and companies from China and Thailand. The college enrolls and trains Thai students in China.
我来中国之后呢，我就会在现场呢学习，然后还是在离线编程那边学习的，所以呢，我现在学习的技能呢比较多，然后会比较熟悉了工业机器人这边的。
Statistics show that in the past decade, since the inception of the Belt and Road Initiative, more than 400 higher vocational colleges in China and foreign educational institutions have forged cooperation in running schools. Many vocational education programs from China have also been introduced in the Belt and Road participating countries, cultivating skilled professionals.